They're pioneers pushing the envelope and discovering the universe without even leaving planet Earth.
It is the best job in astronomy, to be there at the forefront, the cutting-edge technology, and helping out the bigger picture of astronomy.
Matthew Chatrone is different from most astronomers. He lives at the University of Texas McDonald Observatory, just outside of Fort Davis, and his home, tucked away in the Davis Mountains, is the perfect setting for astronomy, which means he's often on the front lines of a new discovery. Most of his time is spent working at the Hobby Everly Telescope, doing the groundwork for astronomers here in the U.S., Germany, and all over the world.
I'm sort of an astronomer's astronomer, so I get to do all sorts of the fun work and do the observing and see the first results coming out of the telescope.
Right now, he and other astronomers are part of the Kepler mission, a galaxy-wide search for Earth-like planets.
Our main job is to rule out stars that really weren't planets, that were just stars behaving badly.
The mission began in March 2009, and by January they announced the discovery of 5 new planets.
That was pretty quick. I was a bit surprised. And that bodes well for how many more they're going to discover. They're looking at over 100,000 stars all the time. Every second of every day, they're looking at the same 100,000 stars.
None of the 5 were Earth-like, but Tom Barnes says it's only a matter of time.
I suspect they'll have an Earth-like planet within a year. Now, if they don't, it tells us something important, which is they're rare.
If the mission is successful, it will change the way we see the universe, maybe even help us meet other life forms, and it's already getting people excited.
That's cool.
It makes us realize just how small we are, for one.
But this observatory has been shaking things up for years.
Right now you're looking at the Otto Struve telescope. Now, it was built in the 1930s and was the original telescope here at the observatory. And even though it's older than 70 years old, it's still being used by astronomers today.
In the past, astronomers here helped find water on Mars. Now they're studying comets, supernovas, and more. But the best is yet to come. The observatory plans to upgrade this telescope to study dark energy, the elusive source causing our universe to expand.
There's some that are planned elsewhere on the planet, but we think we will be the first one in operation.
Despite all the cool stuff they're doing, astronomers sometimes feel like they're the only ones who know what's going on.
Do they realize what we're doing out here? I don't think most people have a clue. And it's a shame, really, because we are an open facility.
But they're trying to keep the public in the loop. From weekly star parties to special programs with schools, they're opening people's eyes all the time.
I think that the next time I look up at the sky, it'll give me a better appreciation for what I'm looking at.
And astronomers hope to continue shaking up our view of the world and the universe for years, if not millennia, to come.